Okay, so here is the best way on how you can download Spotify songs to your gallery. So make sure you watch this tutorial till the end to exactly know how you can download Spotify songs. First up, you obviously need to go to Spotify. And once you're inside Spotify, here as you can see, what you can simply do is just select the song that you want to download. But before that, just make sure that you got premium. If you don't have Spotify premium, you cannot download the music and listen to it offline. So here as you can see, it says download to listen offline. It has its feature. So in order to do that, you have to make a playlist first. So let's say I'm just gonna select this song right over here and add to playlist. And I'm just gonna create a new playlist just for download and just create. And here as you can see, once I make the playlist, here as you can see, you'll be able to see this download option right over here. If I press on it, it says explore premium. So yeah, you obviously need premium for that, and after once you get premium, you can easily download it. So I hope this tutorial actually helped you out. I'll see you soon.